Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to make your LG TV faster and improve performance. Because over time, smart TVs can feel sluggish with apps or menu navigation. First, start by clearing unused apps. Go to Settings, then All Settings, General, and Manage Storage to delete apps you don't use. Next, restart your TV regularly by holding the power button on your remote until it reboots, which clears temporary cache. If your TV still feels slow, make sure you're running the latest firmware. Head into Settings, Support, and Software Update to install any new updates. You can also turn off features you don't need, like Quick Start Plus or auto updates running in the background, since these eat memory. For streaming apps, uninstall and reinstall heavy ones like Netflix or YouTube to refresh them. Finally, if performance is still lagging, a factory reset will clear everything and make the TV run like new. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.